Hello friends. Today I will show some of my work. Installation of a stretch ceiling in the bathroom. The wall is tiled, and the installation of the profile takes more time. The distance from the tile seam to the profile must be the same. For convenience, the profile can be glued to the wall with tape. The tool that we need depends on the material of the wall. I have a brick wall. Then you need a drill hammer. You cannot directly drill a wall through a tile. The tile may crack. It is necessary to drill through the tile with a special drill for the tile. And then make a hole in the wall with a drill hammer. We fix the profile with a dowel and a self-tapping screw. Fixing the profile after about 18 centimeters. Be sure to additionally fix the profile in the corners and at the joints of the profile. The profile must be in the same plane horizontally and vertically. After installing the profile along the entire perimeter, we glue the joint of the profile with aluminum tape. Here is the result I got. As you can see in this room, there are several outer and inner corners. Then I start stretching the stretch ceiling. Now I will show the installation of the canvas, as it really is, without scraps. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Stretching the ceiling sheet takes about 8 minutes. After installing the curtain, the slot in the profile is closed with a special white rubber plug. Later I will make a video with a detailed installation of the profile and stretching of the canvas at my stand in the garage studio. I hope you found this video useful. Until next time.